Good afternoon, this is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. I'm going to show you some magic. We're going to work right here. We've been out here today installing a universal screen. We used a Phifer bug screen on this one. It's actually the TuffScreen No-See-Um, so really thin, blocks a lot of bugs. So in this case, it was a really unique installation because of the way the porch was built. We actually had to drop the screen down in front of this grill. Cautionary tale, if you're going to build a porch and you want screens, plan ahead. But the reason we like this screen so much is because when it's down, you can barely see that it's even here. It obstructs no view. I wish we had cleaned up all of our mess outside there. Still looks a little bit like a workspace. But the view is just clean. I can still see out to the pool. This is north facing, so there's no need for any solar protection here, just blocking bugs. And this does it perfectly. I want to raise this up and show you what it looks like from the outside as well. So it's almost invisible when you look from the inside out. It's not quite as invisible when you look from the outside in, but it's still a very, very beautiful installation. So I'm going to stop it right here for a second. We're going to walk to the outside. And we'll drop it back down. So this is what they look like from the outside in. Now, again, you can definitely see it here. It's a black screen that makes it easier to see through from the other way. But we've just created a bug-free oasis for this customer here in University Park. If you want us to help you out with this, we will be more than happy to. You can reach us at 972-644-9411. You can also reach us on our website at blinddepotdfw.com. And once again, if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are probably not in our service area. Y'all have a great day. We're going to go cool off because it's about 100 degrees out here, and this kind of sucks. So we'll talk to you later. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.